Oh, hell nah. You're gonna have to get up. Chicken crazy. Chicken crazy. Hello, crazy chicken. Good morning, beautiful world. This is Rah seeing the place to be. What you doing, baby? You look so skinny, mama. Let these suckers out. Let all these suckers out. What's up, chicken heads? Freedom! Freedom! No, little pig! Freedom! Freedom! No, pig, no! Come on, Tuffy Brewster! What's up, Tuffy Brewster? You big old freak of a bitch! You freak of a bitch! Damn, that duck is flying! Damn, that duck flew all the way to the damn pond like Hunky Brewster on Tookie Rooster. I didn't know they could fly like that. Of course, they orbit the earth, Robbie. Hey! Little bitch, stop! You're the jack of all jackers, you mad clackers. You mad clackers. What's that, chicken heads? Got chicken heads, chicken heads. Oh, got chicken heads. Got chicken heads. Chicken. Whoa, got chicken heads. Chicken heads. Move, Joe! Junior, now move! Yeah, chicken heads! That's it, man. Y'all broke out some other. Damn it! Juju, no! Come on, guys. Come on, little bit. Now, little bit. Chicken's on point. Chicken doing points. Doing big things on social media stuff. Chicken lie, chicken die, chicken life. Chicken life, baby. Junior! Why y'all standing in the damn water, man? Why y'all standing in my water, man? Come on, guys, up up! No big! No late! Come see what a G can be on. Fee on, you heard me? I ain't feeding them right now. I want them to scavenge. Find their own food. Little bit! Billy! Up now! He's just a good girl, man. He's just a good girl. Come on, DJ! Billy, now! It's Illuminati to my mother chicken body, baby. Please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. This is Rah seeing this is the place to be. And a beautiful homestay where a chicken can be a freak. Get out of here! on, guys. Come on, up, belly now. Come on, little shitty shit. Pretty girl. Come on, Shawshank Redemption. They only do this when I'm in a hurry. I gotta go somewhere real quick. That's why they snowballing the mother truck.